question was asked about how to make the Moog MAVIS LFO go slower. So one suggestion was to modify the hardware to find the capacitor that's being used by the LFO and switch in a larger value in parallel, and that would definitely slow the LFO down. But also the other answer was to basically provide a negative voltage on the LFO rate. So let's just hear what we have currently a fairly fast LFO, so we'll just switch to so now we have the LFO modulating the pitch of the VCO, so we can hear how fast or slow the LFO is running. So we slow the LFO down to using its normal control. It's a faster mode. So we're going to take the LFO rate and plug that into 1, the 1 output. The input to 1 is left disconnected and it's being fed, and basically it starts off with a negative voltage. So now the 1 volume control, 1 level control, sorry, basically goes from 0, doesn't make any difference, and as we turn the knob, we'll get more and more negative voltage going into the LFO rate. So we can slow the LFO down by using that. So we can turn it to say about 3 o'clock. So it's obviously now a lot slower than it used to be. But we can now turn the LFO rate itself knob down to its slowest lower value. Okay. So here we're using the pitch of the VCO to demonstrate the current output of the LFO. As you can hear, the LFO is definitely being changed. So somewhere just past 3 o'clock on the 1 level control, you can hear that it basically is just going up at this moment. Now it's going down. So obviously this is much slower than the standard. And be careful, we can just turn it very carefully more. So at this point it sounds like the LFO is actually not working and it's going down when it's supposed to be going up. So we need to just find the magic point. So about minus 3.4 roughly, somewhere around there, gives about a minute, just over a minute.